Staying ahead in today's competitive retail world necessitates a thorough understanding of both business performance and customer behavior. Integrating analytics within a point-of-sale system has emerged as a game-changer in providing retailers with the necessary insights. Retailers receive significant insights into the operation of their businesses by providing full sales and performance information in real time, allowing them to make data-driven decisions, optimize strategies, and maximize profitability. In this video, we will look at the importance and benefits of integrated analytics within a POS system, demonstrating how it enables retailers to harness the power of data and propel their business to new heights. Performance monitoring in real time. Integrated analytics in a POS system enable shops to track their sales, revenue, and other vital indicators in real time. This real-time visibility allows retailers to keep informed about the health of their business, analyzing trends and identifying possible problems as they develop. Retailers may swiftly assess the impact of marketing efforts, promotions, or changes in product range by having access to up-to-the-minute data on sales performance. This knowledge enables them to make fast changes to their strategies, capitalize on emerging possibilities, and solve any prospective obstacles. Detailed sales analysis. Retailers can acquire insights into customer behavior, product performance, and revenue trends by integrating analytics into their POS system. Retailers can analyze sales data using a variety of criteria, including product categories, individual items, customer segments, and time periods. This degree of granularity enables detailed research and identification of best-selling products, high-value customer groupings, and peak sales periods. Inventory management enhancement. Integrated analytics are essential for optimizing inventory management procedures, lowering costs, and increasing overall efficiency. Retailers can use their POS system to obtain real-time inventory data, which allows them to monitor stock levels, manage inventory turnover, and identify potential stockouts or overstock problems. Retailers can use this data to modify inventory levels proactively, optimize procurement, and reduce holding costs. Retailers can accurately estimate demand and synchronize inventory levels by combining inventory data with sales analytics. As a result, they can manage ideal stock levels, reduce stock disparities, and lessen the risk of missed sales due to stockouts or surplus inventory. Making decisions based on data. Integrated analytics enables merchants to make informed, data-driven decisions in all areas of their organization. Retailers may increase their return on investment by combining sales data, customer insights, and inventory information. Retailers can use real-time performance analytics to assess the success of marketing initiatives, assess the impact of promotions, and make data-driven decisions about budget allocation and resource allocation. Visualization and actionable reporting. Integrated analytics within a POS system provide retailers with a variety of reporting and visualization capabilities for converting raw data into actionable insights. Retailers can create reports and dashboards that provide critical performance indicators, sales trends, and customer analytics in a simple, visual format. These visualizations assist merchants in understanding complex data and effectively communicating findings across their organization. Furthermore, businesses can configure automated reports and alerts to highlight important changes or abnormalities in their sales or inventory data. This proactive approach allows merchants to respond swiftly to new trends or difficulties, assuring effective decision-making and reducing potential risks.